Okay guys, so it's finally here. I went out, made my own second gaming channel called Gaming Made Easy. Got my own custom logo that I made. That would just focus right there. Gaming Made Easy with the little controller and the lightning bolts. I also made a channel banner. I think it looks really clean and I think it matches Life Made Easy right here. I got that as a featured channel. I also got on my Life Made Easy homepage, I got that listed as a featured channel right here. So yeah, go back and we're gonna stop that playing. Okay, so guys, new channel, gonna start uploading on it. It's gonna be strictly gaming content. While on this channel, I'm gonna be sticking to more technology-based stuff and reviewing companies' products. I'm heavily invested into this channel still. This is just kind of like a side thing where, because I've always liked uploading like gaming content and such, and I want to start live streaming on here. So guys, I'm gonna be putting the link down to my second channel below. Also, if you can't find that link, I don't know why, but you can just go to Life Made Easy and click the link under featured channels, so you can do that as well. So guys, I want to grow this. I want to get over 1,000 subs, and I want to start live streaming some awesome content to you guys, whether that be Fortnite, Apex Legends, Call of Duty, you name it. I don't know, other popular games, Destiny, anything that's popular right now. Because I do got a couple of Xbox games. Let me just get these out real quick. I don't have them all downloaded, but here we go. What do I got? I got Black Ops 4. I got Destiny 2 Forsaken. Got Battlefield 4 for some reason. I don't know. That's an old game. Got Battlefield 1. Black Ops 3. And I think that's it for now. And I also have NHL 16. So I like NHL too. So guys, this is going to be strictly gaming channel. I hope you enjoy it. I hope I upload some quality content on there that you enjoy. And yeah, first upload's gonna be, might go up today, I'm not sure. I just have to see how much time I have. But yeah, go subscribe, link below. And if you're new to Life Made Easy and you want to see more awesome technology related content and product reviews and tutorials, subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell, because YouTube doesn't like telling people when I upload. So there guys, do all that. Go follow me on my social medias. Also, there's a merchandise discount. Use code LIFE and Teespring shop, and you can get $3 off your purchase. So go check that out. Peace.